got all the stuff. I'm gonna say these are, I got three 11-inch pieces. That's gonna sit like ladder wise. The top one is let me see if I can get that in the camera. Jeez. Let me show you what all I got first. How about that? So what I got here, I got three 11-inch pieces. I got two 9-inch pieces and two 6-inch pieces. I got the 4 T's and two 90s, but I'm not really for sure if I'm gonna use those 90s. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do. Oh, I got the axle, whatever you wanna call it. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get the primer first. I'm just gonna go ahead and scratch some of these ends up with this sandpaper. Probably ain't really necessary. I know it's supposed to help it give a better bond. So, pieces also that's in here that I can't get out right now, so we're just gonna leave them in there. Hopefully they bond by themselves pretty good. They feel like they're pretty stuck on there. Lay down. All right. Let's put this primer on. Put this primer on everything first. You put some gloves on if you got to. I probably should have put on 2. It's like they already busted. Cheap thing. Again, man, putting this primer stuff on, it don't take that long. I wasn't supposed to do that 90 like that. Stuff is kind of old. Hopefully it'll stay on. Hopefully it'll hold this stuff here. Probably should have kept that stuff. Pretty straight. Just had to lay it down on that concrete. Then we got throwing in the other T. Throwing these 2. Pretty straight. Okay. Keep moving. like that. The axle come out, need that. These are the last two. Like that. Now we're just gonna let it dry for a little bit, man. And we're gonna put the axle and stuff on there. But this is going in trash. This is the end of the project. I'm just letting it dry off before I start messing with it again. I mean, it says it's gonna take 10 minutes. But 24 hours to fully cure. So yeah, with that being said, man, that's what it is. It did cost me almost $20 because I already had the concrete stuff. The tires was $13, and then the pieces, the T's and the PVC and the little 90s that I got, all that ran about $7. Yeah, man. I mean, you'd be a fool to go out and spend $60 on one of these things. I mean, I think, but yeah, that was it, man. Just yeah, hopefully we get hold of a fish tomorrow or something, man. I mean, no matter. I just want to see what this kayak do. So, yeah, we're gonna see. It's your boy Jay back at it, man, with a new project done.